Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you the repeater tab. So I have my BurpSuite up and running and we are going to attack this login page. Let me just give a small intro about repeater. The main feature of repeater is repeater allows us to send n number of HTTP requests, and we can also send n number of modified HTTP requests. After sending those HTTP requests, we can easily see the immediate response of the request. First, let me turn on the intercept option. Let's get into Mozilla, and my username is admin and my password is test123, but for now I'm just typing some random password and I'm clicking on login. Okay, so now this request has been intercepted by BurpSuite, and now to send this request to repeater, right click on the page and select the option send to repeater. So now you can see the repeater is highlighted. So over here we have a request and on the right side we have a response. So for example, if I'm going to send this request, the immediate response is recorded over here. So you can take a look at it and you can check for the response. So right now over here, this is the wrong password. It says plus 200 and it says okay. So if I wanted to change my password and send one more HTTP request, so again I'm just typing something random and I have sent one more HTTP request. So again you can check for another password and you can send another HTTP request. So like this, using the repeater tab, you can send n number of HTTP requests to the web application. So if you see, the response is 200 okay. So now I'm going to enter the correct password, which is test123, and now when I send this, we'll get a redirection. So it says 302 found. So like this, we can send how many of our HTTP requests we want until we get answer for our question. This is how repeater tab is used.